In front of me is Blackshark Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill of Google over here. Now tap on Google Password Manager. And finally tap on a password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock. And last but not least, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!